In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zendesk to Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is enter the admin center in your Zendesk account. Make sure you log in with credentials that have admin permissions. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen and click on the gear or settings icon. This action will automatically open the main admin center where you'll manage your integrations. Now, once you're in the admin center, look at the left administrative menu panel. You'll want to scroll down a bit until you see an option labeled Apps and Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. After you select it, you'll see some expanded options. Under this tab, find and click on Integrations to load Zendesk's external service catalog. With the Integrations catalog open, it's time to find Jira. You'll need to scroll through the catalog until you spot the Jira icon. To connect with Jira, click on the three dots next to its icon. This will open a small drop-down menu for you to interact with. In this menu, simply click on Connect. Next, we'll move on to inputting your Jira instance credentials. You'll need to type your exact Jira account URL into the web target field. This is just your unique cloud host address, so make sure you get that right. Below the text box, there's a box you'll need to check to accept the terms of use. Once you've done that, click on the button that says Connect Jira to move on to the next step. Now, this part requires a moment of patience. You'll need to accept the Secure System link. Wait a brief moment as the loading progress indicator works to authorize your platform identities. After that, you'll see a security dialog page pop up. This is an important step because it's where you'll finalize the connection process. Just click Accept to establish the automated data bridge between your tickets in Zendesk and the issues in Jira. And there you go. You've now successfully connected Zendesk to Jira. With this integration, you'll be able to streamline your processes, making it easier to manage support tickets and software development in a more collaborative way. If you run into any issues or have questions about any part of this integration, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.